Initially, in market stalls and market services, there had been a proposal to increase levies by 30% on market stalls. However, after public participation where we listened, those charges were revised to a modest 10% increment given inflation. On alcoholic drinks and licensing, and this is very interesting, every single public participation session proposed a raise in those charges because of the sprawling nature of these establishments. The proposal to raise charges on alcoholic drinks and licensing was adopted to help control the number of drinking outlets across the county that many of our young people have fallen now captive to. The City Inspectorate Department, after a lot of sessions, not just the public participation sessions, but my own engagements with those in the public transport sector, the matatu sector, the taxis, impounding charges were retained in some areas and reduced in others to drive compliance. But beyond that, the fees charged to those matatus that don't terminate in the CBD were halved. In physical planning, land and housing, which is our biggest revenue source, we had proposed to increase rent by 25%, but following consultations with the great people who have given us mandate, we have only increased that by 10% in our estates. In parking, the new law provides for new parking zones that are well defined. As we move and adopt technology, we will increase measures to make sure you get value for your money when you come into the CBD. If you come for a few minutes in the CBD and many zones, you don't have to pay for the whole day. But for now, the new charges introduced for registration of taxis and border borders have been accepted by the sector because even they want order and dignity in the provision of their services.